Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you
again guys, it's Alan with the R6, and this is the result of my makeover to this old girl so I can make it 10 years younger. I will start from the front end to show you what I've done so far. So I've taken each individual panels, machine polish it 3 times with 3 different compounds, very coarse, mid coarse and fine, and the final polish. So yeah, she certainly looks stunning. I will show you from here. So I've added the new Yamaha logo at the front. My blue decal R6 is gone, and now is this chrome red R6 logo. You probably find those logos on the newer R6s, like 2017 plus, but I couldn't find the old ones, so yeah, not in this color anyway. Now all the logos will match the wheels. Candy apple red wheels. You see the R6 Delta Box 3 matches with the levers, and also the lower panel part. So I've done that as well. Tank one. So replace the old silver chrome looking thing with those red ones. I've taken the old blue R6 sticker from the tail. Maybe I will replace it in some point with something else, but at the moment, if I put any more, it might look too red. I'm not sure. The grey one from the back tail, I've replaced it with the red. I need to change the tank pads because this is horrible now. It doesn't look good at all. Let me see if I've got a bit of light to show you on the other side. There you go. So, if you remember, I had a deep scratch on my fuel tank. I've managed to take that completely off. So again, R6 Delta Box 3.